Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. Happy Sunday. Today we are going to have the winners chosen for these Nail Shack packs. I have 3 bags here. There will be 3 winners. Thought maybe I would be able to do a 4th, but there weren't enough to do 4, so there'll be 3 winners. So I'm going to come back with my laptop, and I'm not sure what app I'm going to use to have the 3 winners drawn. Maybe we'll have names, maybe not. And good luck to everyone who entered, and I'll be back in just a second. We are going to get ready to have the winners drawn for the Nail Shack packs. And I wanted to, let me bring the light up. I forget about this all the time. I wanted to share with you guys, there are 20, trying to hold this up right and get my hand out of the way here. 25 names. So that goes up to 22. And then this will come from this way. So then we have 23, 24, 25 names that I pulled from comments right there. And right here, let me zoom in, make sure you guys can see that. Hopefully that focuses. You can see 25 entries. I'm just going to come back out a little bit. Okay. I want the whole wheel in. Okay, that should be good. And what we're going to do, we're not going to, I just want to get a pen. Sorry there. So that I can just, when your name is drawn, I will just circle it right on the paper so that we know who the winners are. A few comments that they didn't use the keyword, and you know, that's okay if they don't want to enter. You don't have to enter every giveaway if you're not interested. But hopefully you can find your name on the wheel if you did use the keyword. And we're just going to get started and have the winners chosen. It's 1, 2, and 3 winners. So we'll just do them back to back to back and have them all drawn. So good luck to everyone who entered. Okay, and the first winner is Kelly LaChapelle. Just trying to find your name on this paper, Kelly. Okay, so you're the first winner. So what I'm going to do when there's multiple winners, instead of clicking close, because it would leave Kelly's name on the wheel, I'm going to click remove, and it will remove her name from the wheel so that she cannot be drawn again, even though I would pick, you know, do it again. But this way it helps with that. So you click remove, and Kelly's name was up. She was the 5th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She was between Carla and Rhonda. So you can see that her name is now removed. So we are going to have a draw winner number 2. Okay, and the second winner is Carla. Soula. I hope I'm saying your name right. Okay, so you are the second winner. We have one more. So I will, and you can see Carla's name here. So when I click remove, it removes her name and then drops this down to 23. So I kind of like that because using like the name, the comment picker, do you know how many times, like 3 times in a row, the same person's name came up? You know, I didn't film all that, but that got to be a hassle, you know, and I was like, oh, so this I like much better for that reason solely. Plus, I think it's better just to be able to see your name. Third and final winner coming up. Good luck. And the third winner is Jennifer. I don't know where you are on my paper, Jennifer. You should be easy to... I don't know where you are. You think just your one name, because I have her first and last names. Why I don't see your name on this? Oh, I see. Okay. So Jennifer, you are the third winner. So the first winner was Kelly LaChapelle. Second winner was Carla, Soula. And the third winner was Jennifer. So congratulations to all three of you. Instructions on how to get a hold of me are in my description box. And you can either email me or DM me on Instagram, whatever you choose. I just need your full name and your mailing address. Thanks for all who entered. Keep your eyes out. You never know if I'm going to have a sneaky little giveaway inside a video. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye-bye now.